Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, changing the ringtone allows you to personalize your device and make them reflect your individual style and preference. Well, here are the steps. First thing first, open Play Settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, here you can select sound and vibrations, and then you can choose ringtones option. Okay, and on this page you will see a list of available ringtones, and you can scroll through the list to preview different options. Okay, once you found a ringtone you like, tap on it to select it. Okay, so now your ringtone is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.